This is Peter Lau. Today is Tuesday, May 21st. I'm in 11874 Macoda Ln, Chatsworth, California. I'll be entering through the right side cleanout. It's located near the pool equipment. In a brief moment, we will be transitioning to the end of the sewer line, as that provides the clearest video. We're about 170 feet into the main sewer line where it ties in with the city sewer at a depth of 12 feet. I'll be making my way back towards the access point. Currently we are working our way back from clay piping, as that's very typical to see. Most cities will use clay for their sewer line material. There was water being ran prior to this inspection, and there's currently a little bit of water that's also running. This amount of water isn't enough to impede any vision, so I will do the inspection during this little bit of water. So some very common issues with clay are offsets, and that's what you're currently seeing on the screen right now. An offset is basically where two sections of pipe join together, and that joint becomes off-centered, which allows for root intrusion. And if we run into any root intrusion, I will elaborate further. As you can see, there are just offsets throughout the clay piping. That's completely normal to see. As long as there aren't any roots growing through those offsets, they're typically not an issue. That's another reason why I like to run water, just to make sure that everything is flowing properly. And now we have transitioned materials from clay to ABS. ABS typically seen in newer homes and is the preferred plumbing material. Working our way up a turn. So the distance indicator is located on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. We're about 130 feet out, and as I'm pulling the camera, the number is decreasing. Like I said, we are working our way back from the city sewer connection. The line thus far is free of any material defects and debris buildup. And making our way back from another downturn. As stated previously, there was water being ran prior to this inspection, and that is to check for any low spots in the line, especially with ABS. If we run into any issues, I will elaborate further. Making our way back from another downturn. And there is some root intrusion noted within the line, however it's not causing any blockage. With about 75 feet remaining, we are still working our way back from ABS piping. Making our way back from a turn. About 55 feet remaining. Once again, the line is still clear of any debris buildup. that water is traveling away from the house, which is normal. With about 35 feet remaining. With about 20 feet remaining. We are getting closer to the end of the Sirloin video. Still working our way back from ABS. And this concludes the inspection of the main sewer line. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Thank you.